How to sign up Notion AI app. Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Wiz. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to sign up Notion AI app. So now let's get started. First of all, open the Notion AI application on your mobile device. You can sign up into Notion AI using your Google ID, Apple ID, Microsoft account, passkey, SSO, and your email. I will be continuing with my email. First of all, you need to enter your email address and tap on continue. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. So now go back and open Gmail on your mobile device and tap on the Notion team mail, and there you will see the verification code. You can either use this verification code or sign up using the magic link. I will be using the code, so simply copy the code, go back and paste it there. After that, tap on continue and now enter your name and set a password. Now after entering the password, tap on next and choose how do you want to use Notion, and again tap on next. Again select your preferred choice and again tap on next. Now select what kind of work do you do or simply skip the step. Now choose what are you planning to use Notion for. You have to choose at least two. Now tap on next. Now copy the invite link to invite your team and tap on next. Again tap on next, 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 and finally tap on get started. Now you have successfully signed up to Notion AI app. So this is how to sign up Notion AI app. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.